I think we're gonna try to find some plugs and plug the boat up. We're gonna put it in the water and we're gonna see if she floats and works. I think it will. Let's see. We got this extra motor. Check it out if we break down out there, but I don't have a bracket for it yet, so we'll have to wait till next time. We have 2 holes to plug here. I guess we could plug that one too? No, we don't want to plug that one. So what do you think? Think this boat's gonna start? It should, man. Everything should work, you know? I don't know what I did with the plugs though. Interesting. Oh, I know what this is. This is for the live well. It's disconnected, man. That water would just come right in the boat and fill up the hole. But if you hook up this live well line, which I would really like to do, then the water will go up, fill the live well, and I think you hit the switch and it'll pump it back out. That's quite interesting. Why is it disconnected? That's what I want to know. I think we're gonna hook up the boat, take it to the boat shop down the road, and see if we can't get a couple of plugs so we can get it in the water. Let's do it. The boat's out there. Let's get the truck. There's not enough room in my driveway to make this turn, so we did what we had to do it. Let's get it done. Good. I gotta get sea tow. It's a couple of $100. I really need to get it because if we break down, I need sea tow to come out and get us, man. I'm nervous though that the motor may not do what we want it to do. I got fresh, brand new gas, and I dumped some sea foam in it, so hopefully it'll clear stuff out as it runs. It'll just, hopefully it'll just stay running. It'll be fine. The other gas was kind of old, and I was trying to use it, and maybe it wasn't a good idea. Let's see. Maybe somebody out there knows. Leave it in the comments. Why is my choke making a clicking noise, but it's not working, and when I work it by hand, it works? We got all kinds of boat plugs, and let's see what fits. Hopefully one will fit. It's a good looking boat for free. What do you think? One of these would be much better in there. And then this is the right one for here, I think. Let's see. All right, that one's good. This is really weird. If this hole was bigger, it would be easy. The only other thing I could think of is maybe if I could take this apart, it gives me a little more room and I might be able to get in there and fix this, because I'd really like to put the boat in the water tonight. After working all day, so we paint by day and we try to boat by night. If I could turn one of these, loosen it up and turn it, I can almost get to it now. See if I can loosen that other one up. I think it might work. Boat in the water, broskies. Boat in the water. Let's get it done. All right, so that means we're going fishing. We'll be good to go, man. Let's find out. I can't wait. We're minutes away from being able to dump it in the water and see what happens. All I wanted to do is get the boat running, Come on, man. So I was firing it up. It runs when I put the choke on. When I throw the choke all the way on manually, she runs, but it does start to load up. It doesn't stay running nice.
So I'm sitting there playing with the set screws, and I got it running better and better and better, and as soon as I try to let off that choke, she'll run great for a minute, and boom! No go, broskies. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna rebuild these carburetors. That's the only way out of here, is to rebuild these carburetors. We gotta get it done. I'm gonna look them up. Somebody said you might be able to buy these carburetors really cheap. So if that's the case, I'll switch them out. But I think we're just gonna rebuild them. Let's get it done. Look at that water. Take a good look at that water. Come on, man. It's calling us. It's like, boo-boo, let's go. I gotta get me a picnic basket and get out there on the water and get some fish. Hey, if you grab clams right out of this water, you go out to the left and out under the bridge, and I'm telling you, you get porgies the size of, just humongous porgies. Hopefully there's a little fluke left, a little flounder. I doubt there's flounder. I might be able to get some fluke, some bluefish. It's getting a little late in the season. We should get some crabs, bro. August is usually crabbing month. It's time to get this boat back out of the water. I gotta get these carburetors rebuilt. And I need dinner, bro. I need dinner. Let's go. Man, I just couldn't get this thing running for nothing. And I tried, man. I really did try. I didn't want to leave defeated, but I'm going to have to take an L on this one and let the W go, broskies. But look at this thing. She's a sweet boat. My man gave it to us, and he said, yo, let's go fishing. And I said, dude, I'm trying hard to get this thing in the water, man. I've been playing with it on and off. I should have just rebuilt these carburetors right from jump. I got to yank this thing out. Look, my wheels are underwater. It's time to go, bro. Come on. I'm playing with it. I'm trying to do something with it. Look, I put it in gear. I put it in reverse. I threw all kinds of water into the boat. I just couldn't get it to stay running, man. I put some seafoam in the gas tank, and I was hoping, bam, it would clear everything up, and it did not. Look at those cloud formations. Look at that water. Is that amazing? Come on, man. We got to get out on the water and get some fishing going. But I couldn't keep it running, man. I just wouldn't go. I smack it into gear, and boom, she just wants to die. It was like it was starving for fuel, but it really wasn't, man. Something else is going on. The carbs just ain't working right. It just ain't dumping right. It's not working. So let's get it done. Let's rebuild it. All right, so let me turn you back over. I think the audio's working now. What a beautiful night for clamming. Let's go get some clams. So the bottom line is we need to rebuild the two carburetors that are on that motor. I thought somehow it was going to be just fine, and I figured the seafoam running it through there would clear it out. And guess what? I'm not that lucky this time around. That's not what happened. So I'm going to have to pull them off, clean them up, rebuild them, and put them back on. Let's get it done. It's so freaking hot, and all I want to do is go fishing for at least an hour. And there was no way. Those carburetors are just gummed up, man. We definitely have to do something. We got to fix them. We got to rebuild them. We got to do whatever. Even if I heard they were so cheap, you could just buy brand new ones and pop them on. We might do that. Let's see how cheap they really are. Otherwise, I got to get a rebuild kit and do it, man. Let's see. Oh, Jesus. What's going on? Oh, no. Turn hard. Hard turn. Hard. Oh, God. How hard? Wait. Hard. Go ahead. Go. Go ahead. Still gotta be hard. All right, straighten it out. All right, hold, let it go down. Let me see something. Drop, lock it, drop it, lock it. Done. See you later. Peace. Hey, if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to go over to YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. See you later, broskies. Well, I'm glad we just didn't dump that boat straight in the water, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then had you take off, I'd have been out there. Watch back. Oof. You just missed that. I'm so glad we didn't do that, because I would have been out there, Devin. It'd be like my phone didn't work. I was waiting for you, bro. Let's go. I gotta eat dinner. Hey, it's time to eat dinner. Let's get it done. Hey, we paint all day, we hot rod at night. Sometimes we even get a W, but not today. Tomorrow is another W day. Tomorrow is another W day. Oh, my feet are soaked. I had to crawl through the water.